Everybody sing that shit.
Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. So guys, in today's video I'm going to tell you 13 reasons to buy the Suzuki Gixxer SF. So let's get started. So guys, the first reason to purchase this bike is fully digital console. So guys, as you can see, the console of this bike is fully loaded. You have everything in this console like tachometer, speedometer and fuel indicator. And the one more thing that this console have is the gear indicator. 150cc segment or 160cc segment, no bike has this feature in the console, which is gear indicator. So guys, the second reason to purchase this bike is look of the bike, and it's a fully fairing bike. So guys, just have a look on the bike. So guys, as you have seen the bike thoroughly, so this is the only bike that is a fully fairing bike, and you get this bike only under 1 lakh rupees. So guys, the third reason to purchase this bike is stable at a high speed. So guys, as you can see, this bike has a fairing. So when you ride this bike on a very high speed, the wind blast does not disturb the controlling of this bike, or you can say handling of this bike. So guys, as you know that Suzuki company always say that this fairing is wind tunnel tested. So at a high speed, this bike is very stable. Now the fourth reason to purchase this bike is the engine of this bike is very smooth and there is no vibration at all. So guys, some of you may know that the Suzuki company is very popular, that they make very smooth and refined engines. So one of the refined engine is there in this bike. So guys, there is no vibration at a very high speed in this bike. So the fifth reason to purchase this bike is best exhaust note in 150cc segment. So guys, this bike really sounds great, and once you cross the 6000 rpm, this bike sounds very well. Now the sixth reason to purchase this bike is guys, braking of the bike. So guys, after the Suzuki company has introduced a rear disc in this bike, the braking of this bike reaches on another level, and guys, the brakes of this bike is very responsive. Now the seventh reason to purchase this bike is this bike has a very wide tires, and guys, the wide tires give you a very nice grip on the roads. So guys, now the eighth point to purchase this bike is the cornering. So guys, as I already mentioned that this bike has a very wide tires, and which provide you confidence, and you won't feel any kind of fear while cornering in this bike. The ninth reason to purchase this bike is handling of the bike. So guys, handling of this bike is really amazing, and even you know guys, even when you lock the rear tire of the bike, you won't lose the control from your bike. The bike is in your control. Now the 10th reason to purchase this bike is good fuel economy. So guys, this bikes provide you 40 km per liter in city, and 45 plus km per liter in highway. And guys, when you ride this bike in a rush manner, then you will get around 37 to 38 km per liter from this bike. So guys, the 11th reason to purchase this bike is the riding position. The riding position of this bike is straightforward, and you won't feel any kind of pain in your shoulder and your back when you cruise on your bike for a long distance. So guys, the 12th reason to purchase this bike is shape of a fuel tank. So as you can see in this image, the fuel tank is very sharply designed. So guys, this fuel tanks help you in locking your knee and give you confidence to corner easily. So guys, the 13th reason is in 150cc segment under 1 lakh rupees, this bikes give you very amazing performance and very aggressive throttle response, and which everybody wants from their bike, and this is the one bike who will give you very aggressive throttle response and very good performance, which you will love and everybody wants from their bike. So guys, these are the 13 reasons that you should buy Suzuki Gixxer SF, and do like the video and subscribe the channel, and stay tuned. In next video I'm going to tell you 11 reasons that you should not buy this bike.